Hi, today I'm here in Stone Creek in Owasso in 15701 East 75th Place North. This is our Forsythia plan, and I've got three really cool things I want to show you in this home. And then at the end, I want to show you how you can save about $70,000 in payments on this home. You heard me right, incredible incentive. I'll give you all the details in just a minute. Feature number one that I want to show you is this really cool vaulted ceiling that goes all the way through the great room and out into the covered patio. So the vaulted ceiling goes all the way through and out the back of the home, covers your outdoor patio, and you've got the beams out there to accent it. It's a really cool line of sight. When you first walk in the home, you can see straight through and out the back. What a cool feature. Feature number two is this amazing study right here in the front of the home. We call it a study, you call it whatever you like, but you can see we've got these vaulted ceilings going all the way up, almost 2 stories. You've got a big picture window up there. It lets in a ton of natural light. If you were used to that dark, dingy study that you had in your current home, welcome to our Forsythia. All right, and last but not least, I wanted to show you the master suite with the snooze button built in. You're probably wondering, what do I mean by that? Well, if you're one of those people like me where I get up a couple hours before my significant other, I don't want to wake her up. It gets too loud, there's too much light, motion, sound. This floor plan is set up so that you get up in the morning, the one who gets up earliest comes in here, you close the door to get into that master bathroom, and you never have to open it again, because right on the other side of the master bathroom is your master closet, and then it exits out to your utility room. You can get to the rest of the home or go out through the garage door into the garage and never walk back through this master bedroom again, so your significant other can stay sleeping and your life can be better. That's what we mean when we say a master suite with the snooze button built in. And last but not least, let's talk about the incredible incentive that we're offering right now. This home has a $30,000 incentive on it. What can you use that for? Well, we can use it to buy down your interest rate permanently, or to pay your closing costs, or we can take it off the price of the home, or any combination of those three. Right now, we're finding that when people buy down their interest rate, they're typically getting 2 to 2.5% below the market rate. Now, what that means for you is hundreds upon hundreds of dollars in savings. It means that you can buy this brand new home for the same payment as you would have on a used home that is $70,000 below this home. You heard me right. You have $70,000 more purchasing power at the same payment due to the incredible incentive we're running. This is the best deal we've had in the 36-year history of Shaw Homes. So call us today. Let's get you into this home or any of our other homes here in Owasso.